Come excellent. One say.
This is we try to preserve the building best as we possibly.
Yes, hello, Louis. Yeah, good. How are you doing? Good. Yeah, karibu. Yes, yeah. Very simple, but good. Come on, the way we were in class. The way we used to.
I think that's your cue. We will not be taking questions today. There will be another moment for us to interact with you. Today we will just be doing the statements.
It is now my pleasure to present to you three documents. One is a performance contract for the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Diaspora Affairs, and the handing over reports for both Foreign Affairs and Diaspora Affairs. So.